Have you ever met a friend group that uses code names to talk about people at school? Because I didn't know this was even a thing until one time I was in class and I was eating M&Ms. And this girl I sat next to asked if she could take a picture of me holding them. So I was like, why? Then she started laughing and she said she couldn't tell me. But eventually, I got her to admit what was happening. And apparently, her and the rest of her friend group had code names for every guy at school. And I guess mine was M&M. But I still didn't understand, so I was like, is it because I'm shaped like one? But she said, no, it's just our way of communicating without anyone knowing who we're talking about. Then she started naming a bunch of other guys at our school and the nicknames they had. And that's when I realized they were all candies. I'm just glad I wasn't the guy who got the nickname Candy Corn. They must have not liked him.